So is that? Let me call the rest, okay? Let me just check the rest. Are they coming? Okay, we'll start first, okay? I already sent a message to both of them. Otherwise, it's just both of us. Okay. Okay, can we try, not this one, we try before the rest comes, we'll try something a little bit more challenging. Okay, this one, no using calculator, huh? No using calculator for this one. Okay, let's see your answer, Mr. Izzat. Well done. Congratulations. So you do the bracket first, and then after that, you get 39. 39 divided by 3. You get 13. 66 minus 13, you get 53. Well done. Okay, this one, please. Okay, no using calculator again. No. It's divide, no? No. It's not. It's not 22.62. Yeah, 20. Is it 22? This is 22.62. You have to divide by 30. So how to do? Step 1. Shift the 0 first. Okay, you can do it like this. Is that what you do? Is 22.62. You can divide by, break this up into two numbers. What times what? 10 times 3. Correct? Can do that. So now you do the 10 first. How to do the 10? We shift to the left or to the right? Which one? We shift one to the left here. Make it smaller. Yes. So now you get 2.262 divide by 3. Okay, you do long division. You try to see lah. What's the answer? Okay. You divide by 3, yeah? Can get now, is that? Can, is that? Long division now. Okay, well done. Okay, 0.754, well done. Okay, so now, hold on, let us go to one of the parent is. Okay, let us go, I just stop screen share. Okay, you try this on the next one. Okay, let us see. 2. Okay, how you get 2? Now, let's try to change the question, okay? Imagine now you have 6 kg of flour. Each bag is 2 kg. How many bags will you get? How many bags will you get? 2. Okay, down here, see, yeah? Now, imagine it's 6 kg, okay? So you got 2 kg one bag, another 2 kg one bag, another 2 kg one bag. How many bags? 1, 2, 3 bags. So what do? We take 6 divided by 2. Then you get the answer 3 bags. So now you do the same thing. See, the rule is when you get to something difficult, go to something easy. So I've shown you an easy example. Now just take 5 divided by 2 over 5. 5 divided by 2 over 5, and you will get your answer. Can. Can do? Ah, 25 over 2. So what is 25 over 2? Okay, good. When you take 5 divided by 2 over 5, your answer is going to be 25 over 2. So tell me, in terms of mixed number, what is it? Mixed number, mixed number, something like that. Like that. So what's the mixed number? Come, Mr. Izzat. Can do that. 5 divided by 2. Ah, 11. No, are you sure 11? 12. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So 12, 1 over 2. So the maximum number of packets of flour you can get is 12. So that means the last packet is half. So it's 12 packets. Okay, are we okay? Okay now. So you see here what I do. If you get confused on what to do, change this to a simple number. I change to 6. I change to 2. Then I get 3 packets. I do the same thing. What do I do? 6 divided by 2 get 3. So 5 divided by 2 fifth. You get 12 and a half. The answer is 12. Okay, so move on to the next one. Okay, ratio. But don't know. Okay. So now what are they saying now? They say that Alice got 4 units. Bernice got 3 units. Clarissa, 1 unit. Altogether, there's 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8 units. So 8 units. Okay, 8 units. Hold on, there's someone coming in. Okay, 8 units. 8 units. Hello, Akil. Okay, 8 units is 320 parts. All right. So what is 1 unit? You find 1 unit is you divide by 8 320 divided by 8, you get what's answer? 340, I think. Okay. Okay, so you get 40 down here. You want to find how many units? Alice, how many units? Alice, we look at it, is 4 units, right? So you can find 4 units now. How you get 4 units? You times by 4. 40 times 4 equals to 160. Okay, we are now going to move on to the next question. So Izzat, you're okay with this, Yes? Okay. Okay, Akil, welcome, Akil. So Akil, every Wednesday we having a class. Okay, so it's this is, I won't remind unless you're not around, then I send a message to the mom. Okay, can you try this question now? Okay, Sheikh Akil is coming in a moment. Cannot use calculator. No using calculator. Okay, this is really thinking question. Clue is here. The clue is here. All right, let us see. Someone has sent. Cannot be 7. Yes, 72 is part of the step, Akil. There's still one more step. But that is not 72 children, that's $72 donated by children who donated $4. So there's one more step to do. Okay. No, he said, you know how to do this? You know, okay, let's see now. $52, not 52. It's not 52. Okay, I'm going to show you guys again. Now, we have to understand first that the total, yes, well done, Akil. Okay, the total amount of money donated is $200. Now, where is this $200? If we add all the money, we get $200. So how much is donated? $200. Let's count now one by one. 35 persons donate $1. So altogether they collected 35. 35 times 1. 24 children donate $2. So how you get the amount of money donated? 24 times 2, 48. I see. And then next one, 15 children donated $3. How to find out how much money they donated? 15 times 3, get 45. This one, we don't know, but we can find out. So Akil take 200 minus 35 minus 48 minus 45, you will get $72. Okay, this is $72. Huh? But remember, you want to find the number of children here. How to find the number of children? 35 divided by 1 get 35. 48 divided by 2 get 24. 45 divided by 3 get 15. 72 divided by 4 get 18. So that's how we get it. How is that? You get it. Okay. All right. Assalamualaikum Shakil. Welcome back from school. Okay. This is the gear up towards PSLE. So you will find that, wow, the amount of work is just gila. Yeah, that's going to happen. And as you go to secondary school, that will be the situation also. So we will start now with the very first few questions here. And go, please. Question 1 and question 2. This is like we're starting with the simple questions. This is paper 1. Huh? We hope that you will be able to score for paper 1. Wow, very fast. Who is this? Okay, well done, Izzat, for number 1. Well done, Akil. Akil, well done. What about Sheikh Akil? Akil for number 1, yes. What about Sheikh Akil and the rest can do to number 2? Akil. Hey, come. Akil and the rest, do number 2 lah. Both of you say it's 3 also. All say it's 3 also. Oh, Norisa also says 3. Shakil, come on, Shakil. The value of the digit 5 here. 1, 10, 100,000. So it's 5,000. The next one, you divide this by 100. Divide by 100. So when you divide by 100, what do you get? You shift in 2 places. 1, 2, put the dot on here. 80.5 meters. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, this one. How many quarters are there in question 3? Come on, Akil, come on. You know how to do this one, come on. Let's hear from all of you. Akil, come on. Akil coming in again. Okay, let's see whether you're right now. Okay, you see the answer is 3. Yeah? How you get 3? What about a half, Akil? Do you take into consideration the half or just a 3 whole number? Is that how you get that? Is that you're going to find half? They didn't ask you how many halves. So very simple. If you want to find out how many quarters, quarter means the bottom is 4, you know. Bottom is 4. Okay. So what do? Change this to 4 first. How to change to 4? So 8.5. Hey, the other 2, I'm going to cancel you all out. What are you doing? No video, nothing. You don't want to get, you don't want to study, I'm going to just stop you. Okay, don't give excuses, video not working, whatever, blah, 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 lah. Okay, I'm already tired already, lah. I know you all are tired also. Okay, but we got to go on this journey, complete this journey together, lah. Okay, so now you got to change to quarter. As I tell Akil Ahdan, he forgot about the half. So now what do you do? Change this to improper fraction. 8 times 4, 32 plus 2, 34. So 34 quarters. So that's it, 34 quarters. If you want to do another way, you can also do another way. What's the other way? How many quarters are there? Okay, we do like that. How many quarters? You just divide by quarter lah. You can also divide by quarter. You can, so divide by quarter, you'll get your answer. Okay, you'll get your whole number answer, the one that you want. So this is 8 times 2, 16 plus 1, 17. 17 over 2 times 4 over 1. Watch, you can also do it this way. Divide by 2, get 1. Divide by 2, get 2. 17 times 2, get 34 straight. So you choose how you want. If you want to find how many quarters, just divide by quarter. How many half, divide by half, you will get the whole number answer. Finish. Or you can change this to quarter and then find out how many quarters. Can you try question number 4, please? No result also. Question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Hey, write your number lah, because I do not know. You given the answer. Okay, that one. Let us see. But your answer according to the answer key is not right. Maybe the answer key is wrong. Let me just check now mentally whether the answer is right or not. Is that for what about Shakil? Okay, I'm going to go through shortly. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to adjust the thing. Shakil, what are you doing, Shakil? I do not know what you're doing. I just told your mother that I don't think this Zoom online tuition will work for you. So I'm going to call your mother tonight now, because the last few sessions you're not able to concentrate. Your head also, you show your video on your head, forehead. Come on lah. I know you don't understand, so don't understand. Let me talk to your mom and let's see what happens lah. Because if it doesn't work, Shakil, this tuition is not useful for you. You shouldn't be here. That's what I feel lah. And this is true for anyone. But it depends on two parts. Now it depends on whether the student is trying or not. So, but Shakil, for the last 1 month or so, I've been observing. You seem lost is one thing, but you are also not trying. So I just feedback to your mom lah, whether your mom is going to.
But sometimes I answer your questions.
Sometimes, but now what are you doing? The rest I answer. I know you're tired lah. I know you're tired, but you know your exams are coming. You know.
Wait.
No, now we'll move on to the next one lah. Okay. Okay, here we go. We divide this by, we put in the value of 8 down here. Put the value of 8 down here. Okay, 11 times 8, 88. Minus 5. Plus 7 times 8, 56. So 56 divided by 4. Which one do you do first? You do the divide first. What? There's a divide down here. So what do you get? You get 88 minus 5. 56 divided by 4, I think you get 16. 14. 14, I think. Okay. Yeah, 14. Then you minus, minus 88 minus 5, 83. Plus 14, you get 97. Okay, you must know that your parents, they put hope on me, you know. So I feel quite pressured, you know. Every time PSLE, your parents will ask me, hey, my son result is like that. I feel I'm very responsible for it. But, you know, it's a two-way deal, you know. So if you want more fun one, Sunday class, there's more students, but it's all doing, right? It's all doing, you know. Akil, you know, right? It's all doing very fast. Okay, but here there's only 3 of you. You can go in deep. But you see, it might be boring. I leave it to you guys. I leave it to you guys. I do not know what else to, unless I go down to your place, which I don't have time to do. Okay, now I'm almost all taken up. There's not enough slots anymore for me to go out of the house anymore. Okay.
You had this tuition center. I will always, I will like go.
Prefer it.
Yeah, I will
But
prefer that
but the owner
because I can
don't.
eat McDonald's before class.
Yeah, I mean, I enjoy the place there also, but I'm not allowed. I'm not allowed to that thing because the numbers are too small for the owner. They say it doesn't make sense. So it's my mistake also because I've no time to do marketing. Okay, so yeah. But what can we do? Maybe the next year you try find someone else where you can go to a class, or if you're good enough, you don't need tuition. In fact, tuition is only for those who need help. At this stage, yeah, maybe you might need help lah. But you got to put in effort. Okay. Okay, we try the question number 7. Okay. Let's see. Well done, Akil. Akil, well done. Is that something is wrong? So Akil, you can try to go to the next question if you can see the next question. But yeah, I think if you can see the next question, you go. Is that you got to try again? Question number 7. We give a little more time for Sheikh to. Okay, we'll also test Akil in a moment to see whether he can it. Is that the new answer? Is it for the same question? Yes. So let us see. Shakil, are you doing question 7, Shakil? See, I do not know. Okay, I'll go to question 7. Here we go. So yeah, some students unfortunately need individualized attention lah. So it's okay. It's okay. All right, here we go. So game 1 is 10 points. That is the score. Now we take this. If let's say now you say from game 1 to game 2 means game 1 is 100%. You know, game 1 is 100%. Then how? What about the next one? The next one is okay. Sure. Case number 7, guess and check. You do guess and check for number 7, Akil. Okay, never mind. This is not guess and check for number 2. Okay. So now when it increase down, this
I don't really know.
okay, no problem. Akil, you give the oh, this is Akil. Sorry, Akil. I got confused between the two Akil. Okay, so now down here, okay, down here, see, you want to go from here to here, you must identify what is 100%. Game 1 is 100%. How do we know? Because it's from game 1. When I say from game 1 is 100%. So now, what's the increase? The increase is by, you must plus 15 to get 25. The increase is 15. 15. So now, how to do like that? Remember, this one is 1. This one down here, 15 points. Below must be points. Whose points do you know the relationship to? Okay, this one is 100%. 100% is equals to what? 10. So when
Am I correct?
Yeah, you're correct. You got 1, number 1. But I hope
No, the next one.
the next one. Okay, next one, hold on. So down here you get 150%. But I think maybe you might not, some of you may not be able to get it. So we have to focus on this later on. On what is 100%. So 100%, you want to go to 25, you have to plus 15. So that means you can also do like that. Sorry. Just hold on. Akil. Jadi Akil, I call you Sheikh Akil, okay? So this is 100%.
Why is there 3 Akil?
Huh?
There's one.
There's Sheikh Akil got 1 camera and 1 sound or something like that.
Oh.
So now we want to try and find what is 15. Why 15? Because we are looking at the increase. So you can find how much? You can find 1 is 10%, 15 is 150%. Okay, you can also do this method, whichever method that you are comfortable with. Okay, I think maybe catch no ball. Catch no ball. Okay, we have to come back to this data. Okay, Akhiratan, you say the answer is 32 for question number 8. And the answer is, there's no 32 down here. Can we all do the angle question? Okay, there's no 32 down. So let us see. So you say no 32, it becomes 42. Okay, maybe we want to find why. It's quite simple. Quite simple. So actually your calculation was just off by 10. I think your estimation is off by 10, that's it. So most probably you're correct in your new answer. Well done. Akil, you should be able to pass already, for your paper 1. So your paper 2, is that we're going to check again. We are waiting for Sheikh Akil now. Okay, Sheikh Akil. Sheikh Akil, we're saying it's too fast. Okay, so we try. Because group tuition, there is a timing to follow. If too fast, people don't get, too slow, people get bored. So there's a balance. I need to balance. So we do together. We do together, okay? Let's see. Shakil, you know how to find J not down here? This one. 180 minus 108. You get 72.
Huh?
72 here. So 180 minus 108, you get 72. Okay, good. Now how to get H, Shakil?
Wait,
You tell me. How to
72 minus 34.
No, cannot. This one is 90 degrees.
72 minus 34.
No, this one 90 degrees, no.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
This one 24.
90 minus 72 minus 34.
No. Hey, this one there's only 2. Down here, there's only 2 angles, only 90 and 24. Right?
Okay.
So just take 90 minus 24 lah. So you get your balance here. And your balance here now.
Wait.
Okay, you will get this one lah. Never mind. If I want you to know the steps. Then the last step, 166. Oh, 66.
66.
Okay, then the last part, how to find y? Very simple. 180 minus 72 minus 66.
Minus 66.
Then you get 42. Okay, more or less is there. Izzat, you get it on Izzat. Yeah, this for angle questions, they are giveaway lah. Okay, so we move on. Okay, this one circle, can you all try? Quadrant is quarter of circle lah. Down here is quarter of circle lah. 90 degrees, yeah. Okay, let's see whether, who is it? Izzat. Okay, let's see whether you're right, Izzat. We're waiting for the rest. Remember, formula for area is pi r.
Sure.
Yeah.
For semicircle, pi d.
No. For area equals to pi r squared.
Okay.
Okay, but Akil Ahdan, you are looking at unshaded part. Unshaded part is this red part.
So you just call me Akil. Don't need call me that.
You know, because there's another Akil, the other Akil also got confused. Okay, I call you Akil. So the other Akil is Sheikh Akil. Okay. Okay, so we are asking about the red parts, you know. So all so far Akil and Izzat, both your answers are not correct. Maybe Akil might have a better answer now. Maybe his new latest answer might be correct. Maybe. So Izzat and Sheikh Akil and all, do you know how many parts of a circle this red part is equal to? Just push it down on here lah. Push it down. Push it down here. Push it down here. What do you get for the? I do not know whether you get it. Akil, your latest answer is correct, but I hope it's not by luck lah. You really understand, right, Akil?
No lah, I actually do like method thingy.
Okay,
I
explain
first get the 28 divided by 2, then I get 14, then 22 over 7 times 20, times 14, then times 14 again.
Okay.
Then I get the answer.
Okay, so you get 616.
Yeah, then the other one, I forgot what I did.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so now, what about the rest? What about Sheikh Akil can do, not Sheikh Akil?
Wait, Acha.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Okay, so we are. I'm going to minimize to see whether what about Mr. Izzat can do that? But your answer is not correct lah for this one. Okay, here we go. We minimize. You can try another question. Otherwise, if you've got nothing to do, or another question is like far away lah. Far away. Okay. In that case, I will give Akil and Izzat a mental question, a mental while we wait for Sheikh Akil. Okay, challenge both of you. Okay. But can you use calculator? Mental. 9 times 27. Akil and Izzat. You take 9 times 10 minus 27 after that. Take 9 times 10 first. 27 times 10 first, then minus 27. Can do now mentally. You minus 7 je, must minus 27. Yes, 243. So you times 10 first. 27 times 10 is 270. Then minus 27. We do one more. For 9 times table, you times 10, then you minus that number again. So let's say now 38 times 9. 38 times 9. Take 38 times 10 first, then minus. Yeah, a little bit lah. He's a little bit. No, you give the answer first. You give your answer first, Izzat. But your answer is not accurate. Then
Teacher.
yeah. Yes.
The answer is actually what? Is it 2464?
What? Answer is what?
2464.
2464. Okay, now we're going to check now. Okay, first of all, we're going to... Yes.
Is it correct? 22 out of 7
No.
times
Yeah,
28 times 28.
No, that's where you make a mistake. What is the radius?
Radius is half line.
Half line, so it's not 28 now, this full line. Okay, so Akil, your answer is correct again. Okay, so this one is 14. Half of it must be 14, right? Divide by 2. Apa? You get 14. So this is where your mistake is, Sheikh Akil. You go in times 28, 20, your
Can I
number
go toilet,
become,
can?
yeah, go. Your number becomes thousands, you know. So when you do this, you get 616. So now you want half of this, right? Half you divide by 2 lah. You can divide half by 2. Then what do you get? You get 308. 308 is for setengah lah. This kuih apam balik ya. This kuih apam balik is actually 308. But now you do not want the black part. They only want the white part. So I want you to be able to see that the white part is actually the same as the black part. Because when we put the black down, it's 90 degrees, no, like that, you know. You can see not? Can see not? So that means this white part is equal to also the same lah. Also suku circle. Maybe you have something like that lah. There's a line on here. Can see not? So that means I divide 308 by 2 again. So I get 154. So this is 154.
Number 2 Cik.
Yeah, number 2. Yes, but this one is also 154. Both of these. I hope you get it lah. I hope you get it. Okay, Izzat.
I kind
You
of
don't-
not get it.
You don't get it. Okay.
Kind
So
of.
now, but you get 616, you get it tak? 616, you get it.
Yeah. Where you get
Then this one we times 22 over 7 times 14 times 14 is 616 kan? 616 for the whole circle. Now, what you want? You want the white part. Okay, we go and divide it like that. Actually, the white part is equal to which part now? It's equal to this green part down here. Down here, this green part, both of them actually, this is the white part down here. One part down here, one part down here. How do you know? Because this is suku, quarter of a circle. I push it down. This is half of a circle. So these two must be equal to 1/4. To get the fastest way, I take 616 divide by 4. I get this green part down here. I get 154. But you must be able to see, no? Can you see not? First of all, that this green part is the same as the white part, Syakil. Can see not? 1 and 2. Can see that? Okay, you cannot say, okay, maybe I will have to spend separate time with you lah. I'll speak to your mom first, okay? To see whether... No, for you, you follow group, I observe is not effective for you. You also know that. You
susahkan my mom.
I susahkan your mom. I do not know.
Me.
Then how? You don't understand what I'm teaching, how? That means the lesson is not useful for you, you know? Okay, but
Actually, the lesson, what time?
lesson today end at 7 o'clock.
I know
Okay.
end at 7 o'clock, but start.
Start 5:30. Just like a normal timeline in the center. Normal time in center also 5:30 kan? 5:30 to 7.
And then that time, yesterday?
Yesterday's one is an extra class for you. So that one is actually 6 o'clock, but I told your mom, you come at 5:30, I can teach you 1-to-1. But I do not know, my time is so taken
Sometimes
up.
you cancel.
Yeah, because I have something on lah. Yeah, sometimes I cancel. I'm so sorry, I have something on. Okay, we come to this one now. Okay, is that for the first one? Your answer is correct. For the second one, your answer is correct also. What about Akil and Sheikh Akil? Question 1 and 2, please. Okay, question 1 and 2 for Akil and Sheikh Akil. Okay, Akil. Okay, what about
So, can I
Sheikh
see
Akil?
the answer?
Okay, what's the answer for question 1?
The answer for question 1 is number 2.
Number 2. Okay, all of you got it correct. Well done. So let us move to question number 2 now. You can also say out the answer, no problem for Sheikh Akil.
300,000.
800,000. 300,000.
300,000.
Akil, you agree? Akil says 299. Okay, so now Akil says 299,500. Sheikh Akil say 300,000. Izzat say 300,000. So now you must remember Akil now, nearest 1,000. So nearest 1,000, you got to check out where is the 1,000, ones, tens, 100,000. Down here, this 9, you must look at the next number. Do you plus 1? Yes, you plus 1. So 300,000. Akil, okay, Akil? This one you shouldn't make mistake, Akil. I do not know whether you get it or not. Nearest 1,000 on here. Okay, nearest 1,000 on here.
Actually, I got correct one.
Yeah, you got it correct. But there's another Akil. You are not Akil. You are Sheikh Akil. Okay, the next one. And the next one, let's say, is that well done? Is that what about the rest? No using calculator, please, sir. Come on, come on. Okay, 3. Okay, Sheikh Akil, tell us your answer, Sheikh Akil. But Akil, why are you making such mistakes?
40,000.
40,000. Akil, you make mistake. How can you get 3? There's 1, 2, 3 zeros, 5 times 8, Akil. 5 times 8 is what? What's your answer? Tell me, Akil. 5 times 8, 40, correct? Then add the 3 zeros lah. 1, 2, 3. How come you make a mistake like that? You are careless lah like that. You make a mistake. This is not your standard, Akil. 5 times 4, 5 times 8 times 4, 5, 40. Add the 3 zeros lah. Okay, so you can do it. Trust me, you can do this. Okay, the next one. This one is in liters. 1 liter, for your info, is equal to 1,000 cubic cm. 1 liter is equals to 1,000 cubic cm. Okay, let us see. Well done, Mr. Akil. What about, so Akil, you can do this, 2 things mentally is good. Just be careful lah. What about Izzat and Sheikh Akil? Oh, sorry. Is that you say answer is 3 or 4? 3, yeah. You said 3, is it? Okay. So Sheikh Akil, how to change this, Sheikh Akil? You just only need to change times by 1,000. So 1 liter. Okay, so how? Okay. The rest can move on to question 5. Huh?
Well, 1 liter equals 1,000.
Yes, 1,000. Yes. 1 liter equals to
But
1.
and then 9.04 liters.
You must times by 1,000 because 9
Okay.
liters is
Yeah.
9,000.
Can I see the number?
Bigger. Okay, the rest just hold on. Sorry.
What is it?
Sure.
9.9.
Yeah.
Look at my screen. I already showing the answer.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. Shakil, you know how to do not? Just times by 1,000 now. Okay, down here just times by 1,000. You shift 3 zeros then. 1, 2, 3, 9, 0, 4, 0. This is number 3 here.
Got working.
They're working down here. 9.04 times 1,000, right? Times 1,000
Yeah.
means 1, 2, 3. Okay, 904.
Okay.
Okay, okay, let's see. Is that what you say the answer is for smallest one? You say number 2, 3, is it? Akil say number 2. So what about Akil? What do you say number 5 is? Which one is the smallest? Is that your answer is wrong? Sorry, not is that. Akil, your answer is not correct. You got to be careful. Is that this latest one is number 6, is it? Okay, we let the both of them focus on number 5 first. Is that just a moment? So Akil, you got to check again. Akil, we are waiting for you also. Which one is the smallest?
Zero 0.6.
0.6. Okay. So
Is it correct?
I'm going to show you now.
Is it number 3?
Number 3, not number 2. So we
0.
make them. Yeah. So there's no, you said number 2, right? So now look at this. 1, 2, 3. You make sure all of them have the same, no, Shakil. Then you can compare. Once you have all of them the same, now you can see which one is the smallest. The smallest one, number 3, only 79. Next one is 102. The next one, 310. The one that you chose, Shakil, is the biggest. You must make it have the same decimal places. Okay, so I hope you get it. You see the working. Just add the 0. You see, I still don't understand. Okay, this one is 6/10. Why? Because there's only one place, you can put a 0 here. This one is 31/100. Why over 100? Because there's 2 places here. This one is 79/1000. This one 102/1000. So you want to compare, you must, like fraction, make this 1000 also, you times 10. When you times 10, you add a 0 here, 310. This one must times what? Times 100. When times 100, it becomes 600. Now you can see 600/1000. 310, 79. So now 79 is the smallest. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay. Which one is greater than a right angle? Okay, I do not. Is that you say you send your answer, yeah? Okay. Hey, this one, I think cannot. The thing like something is wrong lah. This C also looks like it. D also looks like it. No, okay, we forget about this one. We forget, okay, because I think there's something wrong with this question. Now you try. Which of these statements is true. Only one is true lah. Is it? Yeah, only one is true.
Sure.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Well done. Well done. So Akil, you are quite all right, no, Akil?
Sir, I need to take something.
Yeah, take. Is that well done? Okay, so both of you all know this is equals to this. Okay, because Shakil has gone, okay, we'll move on to the next one. So one is correct. Okay. You all know F and E is 180, the other 100. F plus H doesn't add up to 180, they are equal. E and G, they doesn't add up, they are equal. So, okay. Let's try the next one then.
Sure.
Yeah,
You tell my mom.
I'm now communicating with your mom. So I need to speak to her actually.
Okay.
Because I already told you about what you have, right? In the classroom, I already tell you. So you need to, you must solve this problem, otherwise you go to secondary school, you're going to be blur,
What,
So
sir?
you
You
might
mean
not like it.
the
Say,
dyslexia?
that one is only was one thing. There's other things I need to speak to your mom so that your mom understand.
Like
Maybe your
what?
mom. Now is not the time. Now we're going to do this. Why are you asking me? You want later on, okay? You want another day or after this, I can talk to you. Now, the rest after they need to do this work. How come we go focus on this work first now? Okay, normally I won't tell the student, right? I will just speak to the parent. But you want me to tell you? I can tell you because you already dah balil kan? So inshallah lah, you already under doubt already, And you must know yourself also. Otherwise, how? I must know myself also. Otherwise, yes. Okay, let us see whether you're right or not. Congratulations, Mr. Izzat, you got to check. So, well done to Mr. Akil. So, Akil, you notice you can do all this very fast, very good. You can do it mentally. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. Okay, Izzat, your adjusted answer is correct. So, what about Sheikh Akil? Sheikh Akil, can you tell us how to do this question? What are you going to do? Which two angles are the same? These two, you agree these two are the same?
Wait, let's
You're
know,
doing,
yeah.
okay. No problem. Okay. Okay, but I need to show the rest, the other one. So Izzat and
Is it 64?
64. Okay, how you get 64?
I do 180 minus 58 minus 58.
Minus 58. But don't be tricked, Don't be tricked. You know why? This line they mark as same as this line. That means which two angles are the same? Not 58, but this angle is the same as this angle. So you take 180 minus 58 equals to 122 for both of these. Then 122, because again, 122 is for degrees, is for both, and they are equal angles. You must divide by 2. So how do you do the division very fast? 12 divided by 2, 6. 2 divided by 2, 1. 61. So be careful, okay? They trick you by marking this angle. Actually, this and this are the sides that are
Isosceles, right?
Isosceles, and these two are the same. Not these two. You are thinking this one 58. No. No. You say not listening, you see? Okay, Shakil, it's not 58, 58. These two angles are the same. 58 is the only ganjel one. The one that is different is 58.
But the shape is kind of same.
Yeah, the shape actually all three looks the same lah. But you got to look at which one. Where must you look at, Shakil? You must look at this thing. They mark for you.
Why?
Why?
The
The
two lines
mark.
get called isosceles.
You must look at the mark part, not the angle, not the side down here. This one. You must look at this one. These two are the same sides.
Yeah.
So that means these two are same angles, not this one.
Okay.
This one is
Okay.
different. Okay, we move on. Okay. Okay, you try. Question 9 and 10. I'll give you a clue about percentage again. Any fraction or decimal can be changed into percentage by just multiplying by 100. Okay, any decimal or fraction can be changed to percentage by just multiplying by 100. This is for question 9. So sorry, Mr. Izzat, it's not. Very close, very close. What about Akil? Akil, number 9, you know? Okay, let's see. What about Shakil? Then try number 10. Both Akil and Norris.
3y plus 10.
3y plus 10. Okay, let us see. Now, first of all, okay, how to do algebra? I want you to note carefully. This one must include the sign in front. Down here, 9y. You can arrange them. This one must include this thing, this minus 5y. So 9y minus 5y is 4y already. Okay, then take this one, plus 7. Including the front sign, plus 3. So 9y minus 5.
Don't 9 or 8?
9, this one 9.
I put 8.
It's okay. So 9y minus 5y, you get 4y. Then 4y plus 7 plus 3 is 10. So none of you got it correct. The answer is 4y plus 10. Again, I repeat, the sign in front of the number or letter or whatever belongs to that letter. So that means this minus belongs to the 5y. Okay, I hope you get it. I repeat, the sign in front, you must, when you rearrange, you must carry it along. See, plus 7, I write plus 7 here. Plus 3, I write plus 3 here. Minus 5y, I put minus 5y here. See, what about the first one? The first one plus, we don't need to write the plus. First numbers, you don't write the sign. Okay, we try the next one. The next clue, okay, or 3 or something. Okay, well done, Izzat. The next one, any fraction or decimal to change to percentage, you just times by 100, that's all. And you will get it. Akil, what's your answer for number 10, Akil? Okay, again, yes, all right. So just times by 100. Well done. Okay, Shaki, I don't know where it disappears. So it becomes 420. Okay. Here we go. Now we get a little bit more challenging. Symmetrical or symmetric down here? Should be symmetrical lah. Don't know why it's symmetric. Okay, symmetric, okay lah. Symmetric means can be divided into 2 equal parts. They say which one is not,
Sure. The Francesco question, is it 60 or 40%?
This one.
42%.
Okay, so sorry boys, the rest. Okay, so you must remember, every time you get a decimal or a fraction, you want to change percentage just times by 100. Any fraction or decimal, you times by 100 become percentage. So 4.2 times this one, 100, you get 420. I repeat. The rule says you want to change from decimal or fraction to percentage, just times 100 yeah. Just times 100 yeah. So you just times 100. This one decimal kan?
Okay.
Just times 100. Okay, just remember that. Okay, any fraction change decimal to percentage, just times 100. Okay, we move on to the next one now. Which one now is not symmetrical? Okay, Akil, what's your answer for 11? Izzat, you got your answer. Shakil, you can see out your answer anytime, Shakil.
I think it's 4.
4, okay. Izzat says 1. Akil, what do you say?
No, one. It's one.
1, okay. But let us see. But our brother says 4, so we're going to show him this is symmetrical. Mr. Shakil, I can cut like that exactly jadi 2 piece. Can you see that? So this one symmetrical. This one can cut down here also. Symmetrical also. They say not symmetrical down here.
Oh, lama.
Tak baca lah. This one symmetrical. This one how to cut? Cannot cut. This one you cut down here not symmetrical.
Okay.
You cut down here not symmetrical. So baca carefully ya. So this one is not symmetrical. Okay. But must fight lah. Tak apalah. This is better of Badar lah. Okay, we try now. Careful, we are approaching number 15, so it's going to get trickier. These questions are 2 marks each, you know. Wow, very fast, Akil. Very fast. Let us see whether you're right. Well, congratulations, Mr. Akil. Akil, you guess Are you guessing? No. Okay. How can you get it so fast? I'm just curious. Let us see now. Izzat says 3, Akil says 2. What about Shay Akil? So we're going to ask Akil to explain.
This one divide, right, sir?
Okay, it's not so simple.
I see 3 there.
3, yeah. Okay. So, okay. Now Shay Akil is asking this one divide. Okay, so this is not so easy as question to say this is plus, minus, times, or divide now. You got to understand the question first. So I'm going to go through one by one. So now, Akil, come. You see, down here it says Susie had some apples. 2/5 were green, so 2 parts are green. These 5 parts is all the apples. 5 parts. So all apples is 5 parts. Green, 2 parts. Red, how many parts, Shakil? Red, how many parts? Shakil?
5, 8, 1.
1. How come you get 1?
4.
How come you get 4? All the parts is 5. Green is 2. What's the balance?
Still 2.
No, green, hijau 2. Okay, I must draw now.
5.
Total is how many? Total is, okay, let me just draw. Maybe you all don't get, because the rest also, the answers are all wrong. Actually, the first answer Akil gave was correct. But when I asked him, he said, no, my answer is 3. That means ibailak lah. Okay, I don't know, because he changed his answer to a wrong answer. So down here, everything there's 5, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is all the apples, Shakil. Then 2 of them, 2 parts are green. So now my question is, how many parts are red, Shakil? How many parts I draw? 1, 2, 3.
3.
3. How do you know 3? Because everything there's 5 what? There's only green and red apples. So green is 2, red must be 3. So now you say sold all the green apples. Tak ada lagi. And then sold 1/4 of the red apples. What is 1/4 of red apples? You got to find out. So I show you the method. 1/4 Red apples, that's why you tell me how many parts, Shakil?
I
Satu,
said, vanilla, I said 5.
five.
And then
No,
3, and then 1, and then 4.
no.
I choose
That-
3.
Three lah, three. Down here will be 3, yeah. So 1/4 of means times. The balance is 3 out of 5, you know. You must write it like that to know exactly how much 1/4 is of all the apples. When you do this, you get 3 out of 20. So he sold 3 out of 20. This is red apple sold. Red apple sold. Now, green apples, they say all are sold. So all is how many? All is 2 out of 5. Can we make it into 20? Yes, we can. So how do you get 20 times 4? Times 4. 8 over 20. 8 over 20, 3 over 20 is 11 over 20. So what is sold is 11 out of 20. Okay, down here, I show you again. You say that we sold 2 out of 5 parts. 2 out of 5 parts is the same as 8 out of 20 parts. Then the red apples, what is sold? She says she sold 1 over 4 of the red apples. Red apples is 3 out of 5. So 1 over 4 of is times 3 out of 5. Then when I do this, 1 over 4 of is times 3 out of 5. I get 3 out of 20. So this red apple sold, green apple sold, I campur them together, add together, I get 11 out of 20. This is the fraction of the apples were sold. Okay, let's see. Shakil, you understand, Shakil? Akil, you understand, Akil? Don't know whether Akil, he not his head, he says, Hari lah. I don't think you understand, Akil. Really, you understand? You understand? Honestly.
Which Akil?
Okay, now Akil lah. Now Akil. Akil, you understand on Akil? Izzat, you understand, Izzat? Really, yeah? Okay, you see, okay, I'm just worried you don't understand. Okay, I draw one more time. Now I draw one more time, okay? So you try see whether you, try your best to understand lah. Because this is now the model. Model, you know, is like one of the toughest in the world, you know, for 12-year-old. You all know that. You are learning model. This is quite tough in the whole world for 12-year-old. Not for everyone. For people who are 12-year-old and below, model problem is quite tough. And Singapore created the model problem. So now down here, let us see. 2 out of 5 parts sold. They are green apples, they are sold. Balance is red apples, but not all the red apples were sold. They say only 1/4. Yeah, how to get 1/4? 1/4 is 4 parts, you know. So now I'm going to draw 4 parts. How to draw 4 parts? 4 parts is like that lah. So 1 out of 4 is here. Alamak, down here is what number lah? What fraction is this? Don't know. You want to know how to find this number? Very simple. 1/4 times by 3/5. Then you get 320. So you say, I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, no problem. I am going to change this number. Each one, I'm going to put 4. Okay, each one I'm going to put 4. Then you are able to see. I put 4 parts here. I put 4 parts here. I put 4 parts here. So 1/4 is how many? 1 out of 4. See, 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. Down here, I can also divide with 4 parts, you know. I can also divide with 4 parts. So if there's 5, 4 is 20. Now let us see how many shaded here. 1, 2, 3. There? 3 out of 20 red apples sold. That's how I get 320. 2 ways of doing it. Then 8 out of 20, you know, 2/5 is the same as 820. Right? So 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, you need to be able to concentrate to understand this. Otherwise, very difficult. If your mind is somewhere else, dah susah lah. Okay, so now before we go to next one, I think let me go to this one now. Question 16 and 17. This one plus, minus, times, plus, plus. No divide, talking so far. And action, please. 16, please. No using calculator. If clue, if you cannot change 15 to 55, reduce them. Reduce it first. Bring to lowest terms, then you can do it. Bring to lowest terms first. Okay, bring to lowest terms. This one actually we did in the Tampines classroom, no? Bring to lowest terms. Bring to lowest terms. You get something over something. Then after that, from here you times. Then you can times. Let us see now. Siapa ni? Izzat ya. All right, let us see, Mr. Izzat. You get it correct? I don't think you got it correct, but you are close. You are close. You are close, Mr. Izzat. You are close, but you're not close enough. You are getting it, Izzat, but you got to bring it lowest terms. What is your lowest terms? Can you send me what you write for lowest terms? This one is 3. 2. This one is you know, you found your mistake already, not? Is that? So from 5, how to become 55? You times by. So do the same thing to the 2. Yes. Now, so I know that you were getting it, but you times by wrong number. So we ask Akil. Akil, reduce to lowest terms. What's the answer, Akil?
I don't know how to do.
Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you and Syakil. Syakil and you. Okay, now down here now. Sorry, I want to wrap off the thing. Okay, so down here, ratio we can bring it down to lowest terms. You know, just like fraction. You see, what number can both of them divide by? Akil, both of them can divide by what number? 3. So divide by 3, you get 2. Divide by 3, you get 5. Now from this 5, you want to make 55. There's now you divide by 3. So times by 11. Yes, times by 11. So 2, you times 11 also lah. You get, as Mr. Izzat says, 22. Get it, huh? Okay, I give you my own question now. I give you my own question. But Syekh Akil, we hope Syekh Akil also will try lah, Syekh Akil. Syekh Akil. Syekh Akil. Dia tak nak jawab, Syekh Akil. Kenapa Syekh Akil tak nak jawab?
Ya.
Ya, kita nak buat ni, Cik Akil. Come, you try now. All of you try. What number is supposed to be? Wait. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, yeah, can. What number is going to be here? Anyone. Bring it to lowest terms first. Okay, congratulations, Akil. What about Mr. Congratulations, Akil, you got it. Well done. See, Akil, you learn one time is to focus and the whole thing enter your head. It's up to you whether how much you're going to focus. So you got to, even though boring, focus je lah. Where are you, Akil? Are you at home or somewhere else? At home. Are you at home?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay? What about Syekh Akil and Izzat? Then Akil, you try question 17 lah. Izzat can do no, Izzat. Bring to lowest terms, what's your answer? 27 tak boleh lah. Okay, we ask now. We ask Mr. Shakil. Shakil, both of these can be divided by a number. What is that number? Can divide by 2. Okay, 8 divided by 2 get 4. 12 divided by 2 get 6. Can divide some more. What else? Divide by what?
Mana ada?
4 dengan 6. Can divide?
Mana?
Can.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2 get 2. Divide by 2 get 3. Now, from these 2, how to become 6? Times by what? Times by what? 2 times 1 equals to 6.
2 times 3.
Good. Down here also times 3. So what your answer is?
3 times 3 equals to 9.
Well done. That's your answer.
So 6 into 9.
Okay, we have to try again because I need you all to be able to get this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so we try now. Next one. You can do this, guys. You can do this, guys. Sekejap, guys. Okay. Shakil, you reduce first. Both of you, all of you lah, reduce first, and then you times. Reduce first, then from here you times on here. This one times on here. Akil, you can do mentally, Akil. I believe in you. What's the answer? Give me your answer for this one only.
Teacher,
Yeah.
we got 3:4.
Well done. Well done. Okay. Yeah, correct. Well done, Akil.
Then 30:40.
Wallahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah, you got it already. That's the way. That's the way. That's the way. You know how happy when you understand, when a student understand, the teacher feel very happy, Not only you feel happy, even the teacher feels happy because the teacher will feel Alhamdulillah. So you must remember that is how I teach. I will feel very, very happy when you all understand. But I feel sad when you forget lah. You forget me, it's okay, but don't forget what you learn lah. I met students after many years, they say, teacher, I remember the joke you told, but they cannot remember what I taught. So what to do? Never mind lah, it's okay. You try this one. This minus times plus. Someone give an answer. Yeah.
This is the question that I really read.
Okay, never mind, we do together first.
Anak, it is easy lecture. It's actually easy, right?
Easy, it's easy. Don't worry, it's easy. Okay. Well done to Akil and Izzat. You do the next one, 18, while I and Shakil will do this one. Shakil. Okay, now. Down here. Which one do we do for Shakil? The rest, Izzat and I think do this one. Your answer down here is correct. Shakil, which one do you first? Minus, times, plus, bracket.
The
plus,
bracket.
So how much you get down here? You bracket, how much you get?
3 plus 4. 7.
Good, 7. See, I copy everything out. I just write the answer there. You notice not what I do. This is same as secondary school. So now what do I do? Minus, times, plus.
Times.
Good. 2 times 7, what's your answer?
14.
Good. Minus 14. Good. So you see, I just copy everything. Then I put that. 35 minus 14. You get 20. 21. 21 plus 6?
27.
Well done. Alhamdulillah. Well done. That's the way, Shakil. Okay, let's say Izzat now has given an answer. What about Akil? Akil, answer for number 18. Izzat, well done. Congratulations, Izzat. Hold on, let me clear. Hold on. You all know why we are still having this class now? Because I feel very bad. We stopped. The three of you all were studying there. So that's why I have a special class just for you guys. And I'm not inviting anyone else. Okay, that's why. So I hope.
Is it 21?
21. Your answer is 21, is it?
Teacher, for eating is 1 out of 21.
1 out of 21, not 21. Well done.
Yeah.
One. You said 21 or 1 out of
Yeah,
21?
21.
121. Well done. Okay, well done. Can we try
1
question?
out of 21.
Well done, well done. Question number 19. We have only about 3 minutes left before we are going to blast off into outer space.
Teacher,
Yeah.
that one divide first or minus first?
Okay, this one now you must take the 3y.
5.
3 times y. 5. Your answer is 5.
Hello?
5. Akil, you say 5.
Is it? Yeah.
5 tak
Yeah.
dia lah. There's no answer na answer key. I
Yeah.
don't know. I think salah lah. So you must do this one first, Syakil. 3 kali 4 first. 3 times 4.
13.
So this one got time, sir.
Um,
Is it 13?
yes, well done.
13.
Yes, it is. It is. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, well done. Izzat can do not? Okay, so we do step by step now. Syakil, first one, 3y. Y I put in the bracket down here, see? That means 3 times y. 3 times y is 3 times 4. You see, you can hear my echo.
Never mind, sir.
echo.
I got the answer, maybe.
What's your answer?
It's 5, right?
5 salah. 5 is the answer given by Akil at first. He said 5. 5 tu salah.
Why?
Okay, there we do now. 3 times 4 is 12. So now you got 42 minus 12.
You
Ah.
forgot to plus the 8.
Oh, you forgot to plus the 8. So now 42 minus 12, how much is it? 30. So 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5 lah. So he said 5. Tapi forget to plus the 8. When you plus the 8, jadi 13. 13. Okay, we do a very last question. Very last question before finale. Finale ni, finale. This one volume lah, very simple lah. This one is primary 5-1. Oh, anyone. This one can do mental
Half
calculation.
times base times height.
Length and breadth times height is length and breadth times height. 9 times 9
Yeah,
times
that's
9. 9 times 9 times 9. Anyone?
9, 18, 20,
1 to 62.
What? What's your answer? Saya tanya abang lah. Hey, don't tanya abang lah. 152. Can.
62.
62 is also 62. No.
No, 162.
162 pun salah also. Let's see, Izzat got the answer, Izzat. Let's see, Izzat punya answer. Congratulations, Mr. Izzat is... Okay, what we're waiting now. What about the rest? 9 times 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is how much?
$729.
729. Okay. So I'll catch up
It's a
with you.
big number.
Yeah. Maybe, okay, I'll speak to Shakil, okay? You all both can log out, all right? Assalamualaikum to the rest of you. Shakil, we can talk lah, Shakil.
Yeah.
Whose one is that one? The other Akil is you, I think
Yeah.
it's best for you to either, because you are finding it difficult to follow the class. Correct or not? Jujur lah, cakap jujur je. Correct or not? Is it true? How come you are so
Okay, what?
scared? Why you
You
so
said
then
I have
then
difficulty.
you also you focus your tunjuk.
I have difficulty.
Hmm.
I have difficulty in what? In groups.
No, you can't catch up with what is being taught in the group. So that's why you need to have one-to-one tuition for you. Whether it's taught by me or taught by someone else, during this period, you must catch up with the rest of them. Because am I the first tutor to tell you that you might be having some learning problems, right? I'm the first person to tell you, correct? But this thing has continued for so many years, So now if you don't fix it,
How do you
how?
know?
Of course, I know. I teach so many students. I know. I teach a student after a few sessions. I know already. So
But
it's not.
I realize I'm slow learner.
No. It's not. You can become a fast learner. No problem. You just need to put in the effort. You need someone to help you just for a period of time saja. But you must believe you can do it. You must really believe in rukun iman pertama lah. You must really believe in that. I don't mind trying to teach you one-to-one, but I need to, I don't know whether your mother is want to talk to me or not. I'm not too sure, see, because I did ask her, when did you come? She just give me the message that you come back now 5:30, Monday to Thursday or something like that, and then 4:30 on Friday.
So
My
Saturday
time
got
is actually very, sorry? Saturday, I got so many students, no, Akil. Saturday, I go out, I teach people's home on Saturday.
Sure.
So, yeah.
You feel
I-
like when you teach me, like when you teach me, you feel macam like I bebankan you nak je.
No, you're not. I want to see. I do not want to teach people who know. I want to teach people who don't know. That's why I try to make sure that I put in more time for you. It's not because I want to larikan diri dari Syekh Akil. No, I want to teach Syekh Akil. But then we have to have an agreement. When are you going to come? Okay, can we make it or not? Then again, as I said, it's got to be one-to-one. Because you only got 2 more months, So you got to really put in a lot and lots of effort. You have to. Otherwise, how? Because next year I might not have time to teach you. Let's say now next year, let's say I got no time to teach you next year. Then you got to find another tutor who understands your problem. I think I understand your problem. I'm teaching not only, I've taught students who are autistic. You know autistic, no? Autistic, very autistic means they got something wrong with the processing now. They can even pass maths boleh dapat 60, no? So the thing is, you can do it, no, Syakil, but you must be committed. You must really berjuang. Berjuangan, right? You got to really sacrifice time, effort, and then you got to be with me, and then we do it together. But if some days you can come, some days you cannot come, how? So that's why.
If tomorrow I come,
Tomorrow is what day? Thursday. No,
Yeah.
because you must understand, I'm doing this for a living, so I have so many students, see? So I cannot just
Okay.
change. That's why I need to find your timing. Let me have a look at your timing, and then maybe I'll get back to your mom lah. But I already sent a message to your mom. I do not know, because if she doesn't answer, I sometimes think I feel segan, When if I message the parent don't answer, maybe the parent don't want to answer. I do not know, or maybe the parent is too busy. I'm not too sure. So I already sent your mother a message. Can I call her at 9 p.m. today? If she answer, then I will call her. If she doesn't answer, I won't call her lah. Because I do not know if she maybe she feels segan or something. I do not know. See, some parents, they do not want to talk to tutors, so I do not know. But we need to talk about this because no other teacher is helping you. Correct or not? For all these years, they know that you have, okay, ni Syekh Akil ni unique sikit. So we got to help Syekh Akil. But I'm a tutor tau. So I need to make sure that, otherwise I don't feel tak puas hati, Tak puas hati, why? Because Allah has given me the amanah to help. If I don't help you, who is going to help you? If you have someone else to help you, I say, okay, I lepas tangan. You understand what's lepas tangan? I pass the responsibility to someone else. But now when I see this, I feel this is my responsibility. You understand? It's not beban for me, no. I want to help, but it must be two ways, no. I want to help the person I want to help larikan diri, I cannot. You understand what I'm saying? That?
Yeah, I understand.
So okay, never mind lah. You ask your mom, you ask her. If she say okay, just tell her to respond to me lah, to say yes, then I'll call her at 9. If she doesn't respond, I won't call her, because I do not know how sometimes
Okay.
some parents might feel very, I don't know why they might feel that way. Okay, I do not want to make it very difficult for you guys, okay? But I really want to solve a problem lah. I think now currently you are a very bright student, you're a very smart student, you are full of energy, you are responsible, you want to improve. I have this time with you, I must try my best to make the best of it.
Okay.
Okay, Syakil, I got to rush now to do Maghrib and I have another class after this.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
Bye.
You take care, okay? All the best. Bye-bye.